Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to check ICICI Bank balance using your WhatsApp application. You just follow my tips and tricks, and without any call, without doing any internet banking, you just follow my tips and tricks, and using your WhatsApp, you can see your entire bank detail. So let's start as a detailed demonstration in mobile screen. First of all, you need to save this contact number in your phone list, and then you can very easily receive the entire balance related information. So let's start demonstration. First of all, I will show you I save this contact number in my phone book. So look at this ICICI, and I store this number 8640 086 400. And just simply go back. Now I open my WhatsApp application. Here is my WhatsApp application, and look at this, I already doing this process. So here I will show you again the phone number. Here look at this 86 400 86 400, the number. Now I can go back and look at this here, good morning. Just I put it here, hi. They are providing me good morning and providing me three different options: my account balance, credit card limit, or first tax balance. So as usual, I am checking here my balance. So top of the screen, so which account number you check your balance? My account is INR, so I just simply select here, suppose for example 1, and then simply next. And this one number account number, they are providing me very easily detailed balance information. So look at this here, and they are providing me information, your account balance is so and so. It's very simple process to receive your balance using WhatsApp application on ICICI Bank. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.